popcorniacs out there? Where's all my popcorn people? Yeah, I love popcorn. I fucking love it. It's my favorite. Oh my God. Does anyone not like popcorn? You fucking jerk. What, your teeth, the teeth thing? I don't like it. Bothers my teethies. My little chompers. That's good, I guess. I thought maybe you were going to say you have diverticulitis or something. I was like, I don't want to open that box of worms. Yay, yay, yay. Whoa. He's like, it's really bad. Oh, man, I fucking love popcorn. Can't get enough. Oh, God. I usually get like... I usually have a tin of fucking popcorn. You know the tins that the aunt that doesn't like you gives you? I have like a closet full of tins of popcorn from the Dallas Cowboys. They always say Dallas Cowboys on them. I've never expressed interest in the Dallas Cowboys. I've never even been to Dallas. But I've got 3 stacks of Dallas Cowboy popcorn tins. And inside those, it's like caramel, butter, cheese, they all taste the same. It doesn't matter. But I sit on the couch and I hold it like it's my fucking son. Like I just like, hey, how you doing? Let's watch some of the TVs. What do you say, boy? Huh? You like this show? Okay, we'll watch this one. So I'm usually like this. Here's a crazy popcorn story. I'm sitting with my popcorn son, and I'm watching my TVs. And I'm reaching in, I don't even need to look anymore. I'm in sync with the universe, baby. Just choppity, choppity, chomp. Until I drop one. Oh, yeah, you better fucking believe it. Are you crazy? T-Bone don't like waste. I nicknamed myself T-Bone. I'm that asshole. Nobody gave it to me. I just started saying it and it stuck. Anyway, that's here nor there. I dropped one, but T-Bone don't like waste. So I said, hey, you haven't let me down so far. Go get it. All right, boss. And it goes down into the recesses, just looking and a feeling, and it finds what feels like is the approximate texture, weight, size of a kernel of popcorn. And it's like, checks out. I'm like, bring it home, baby. And it's like, I would hear, and time stops. And I'm like, oh shit, that's not popcorn. What do you think it was? I don't know. Roach? Dust? What kind of dust ball? That's a weird dust ball. Anything?
Some weed.
Okay, great guesses. Really terrible fucking guesses. Got roach, dust ball, and koosh ball. None of which feel like popcorn. You're done. You said you didn't know. You lost. It was a nugget of cat shit. Because apparently sometime in the past, the cat shit all over the couch. I cleaned it up, or so I thought, and one made it into the recesses of the no man's land, hiding down there like a golem. Like, yeah, I sit and wait. So here we are. Now the thing about physics is, an object in motion tends to stay in motion. So it touched my lip, by God, and I threw it and I screamed. I was like, oh my God! I want to die! And my girlfriend comes running into the room. She goes, oh my God, are you okay? What happened? I go, I can never tell you. If I tell you this whole house of cards comes a tumbling down. And that's why it's okay to have some secrets in a relationship. Guys, I've been Tony Sam. Thank you so much.